Oil prices have been steadily declining since September. Recently, concerns grew after China's economy unexpectedly slowed last month, a factor some experts predicted would reduce market demand for oil, which led to the price plunge. The plunge in the markets came after overnight data showed that China's economy wasn't doing too well, prompting an interest rate cut. The slowdown is because of ongoing COVID lockdowns and property market uncertainty, while also having to deal with a global recession. Rising energy prices have led to a 40-year high of inflation. However, global recession fears have helped drive prices down from recent highs. Brent crude prices peaked in March at $79 and have since fallen more than 27% to around $54. Despite the fall, prices are still up near 20% this year and have especially helped oil companies. The S&P 500 Energy Index has increased 41% over the same time period.